TV, it's your girl Maya back with another YouTube video. So today, y'all can tell by the title, I gotta talk fast because they so loud and I'm trying to hurry up. So by the day, y'all can by the title, y'all can tell that I'm doing a install on my new wig from Alipearl. Cute little boxing. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in here. I already got on one of their wig caps, but they sent me a wig cap. They sent me this, I guess, like, I don't know how to work this, but I guess it's like to adjust. It's in this cute Alipearl band, you know, to go around your hair, protect your edges when you get your edges laid or whatever. So it's cute. I'm guessing this is a like a wrap band thingy. I needed this because I lost my other one, so thank y'all for that. And here is the wig, and y'all gonna see that when I take it out the pack. And then I'll discuss the quality and all that when I put it on my head. And then it came with this cute little brush right here. This cute brush right here. The white is just plain white. I needed that. I got so many of them, but yeah, I needed that. Just come with like basically a brochure, how to clean, how to care for it, how to comb it, how to dry it. And then they gave me this cute bag to put my stuff in, so thank y'all for that. And now we're about to get started with this video because I got somewhere to go, so let's get started. Now I gotta find my glue. Oh, here it is, right here. So I use the Ebon Wonder Lace Wig Adhesive. This is the best one in my opinion. If y'all want y'all wig to be really laid, go get this kind because it's the best kind. Alright, now for the wig. It is a size medium cap size. I hope this fit my head. And then I got the density 180 13 by 4 20 inch. I thought it was 24, but I don't know. I guess it's 20, so it looks so pretty already. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh, here it is. Oops. Alright, taking it out the loop. The little thingy. I love these. Like, I don't know why, but I like it. Alright, anyways, this is the hair, y'all. Do y'all see how good this looks? Baby. Baby. Oh, my glue gonna dry. Oops. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, we gotta put some more makeup on this thing because it is not tinted or like bleached at the roots, the knots and stuff, because I don't know how to do that yet, but trust me, I'm gonna learn. So right now we just gonna stick it out with the makeup because I don't know how to do that other stuff. So makeup it is for right now. Can y'all see that? Let's just hope that that works. I'm gonna put some more on there because that was not enough. Oh, my glue don't dry. Please don't dry. Sorry, y'all. I forgot I was supposed to be showing y'all. Okay. Alright. So cute already. I'm in love. I am in love. Alright. Let's make sure this good. Oh, yeah, it's sticky enough. Most definitely. Alright, so let's see. Cap size fit my hair right. And I didn't even know my cap size, y'all. Okay. Alright. Let's do this right. Yeah, I'm gonna come back after I've done my edges because I cannot do them on camera, so I will be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. It actually looked really cute. The only thing that's wrong is like this little, you know, see the little area right here, but it's actually pretty cute. I'm gonna try to get that to lay down some more. Doesn't look bad. It looks really cute. The quality of the hair is great. Like, I'm in love. I am in love. Everything about this hair will be down in the description below. If you want to go get you some, go get you some because this is beautiful. Remember, it's from Alipearl. Thank y'all for sending me this hair. It's so freaking cute. I'm not an expert, but it is on my head, so sure, that's all that matters. But that is it, y'all. I gotta go get dressed because I'm gonna be late. I've been on my hair for about a good hour and something, so I'm gonna hit y'all up later. I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay tuned. Let me know what else y'all want to see. This is like basically a hair beauty type channel. I mean, I can do other stuff too, but I don't do all that extra crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? This is for like my girlies and my boy girlies, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. I love y'all. But anyways, that is all for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all go buy this hair. And that is it. I'll see y'all later.